Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Subha Janvi. In this video, I'm going to explain about genre and grammar, text and context based on chapter 1 in functional grammar. But before we start the material, I want to explain you what is functional grammar. Functional grammar is concerned with how language makes meaning context. It asserts the particularly set of given context, define not only the meanings likely to be expressed, but also the language like to be used to express those meanings. Let's get started to the material. In this chapter, there are 3 parts. First is grammar, second context and text connection, third genre. What is grammar? Grammar is theory of language, how language is put together and how it works. More particularly, it is the study of wording. The study of language means something that is accessible through the wording is released to express through sound or letter. Why is grammar? We need a theory of grammar of language which help us understand how text work, so it can explicitly help learners learn how to understand and produce text spoken and written in various contexts for various purposes. Then, there are 3 grammar which have had a major influence: traditional grammar, formal grammar, functional grammar. Traditional grammar. Traditional grammar aims to describe the grammar of standard English by comparing with Latin, as that it is prescriptive. Students learn the name of part of speech, like nouns, verbs, preposition, adverb, and adjective. Formal grammar. Formal grammar are concrete to describe the structure of individual sentence. Such grammar view language as a set of rules which allow or disallow certain sentence structure. Knowledge of that rules is seen as being carried around inside the mind. Functional grammar view language as recurse for making meaning. These grammars attempt to describe language in actual use and so focus on the text and their context. They are concerned not only the structure but also with how the structure concerns meaning. I will show you the example of traditional and formal grammar. We can see from 2 sentences: time flies like an arrow, and Tim told of tragic case. Time in traditional and formal grammar as a noun, flies and told as a verb, like an arrow, and of a tragic case as prepositional phrase, and is functional grammar. In this example, 2 sentences have 2 different functions. Time as participant actor, flies as process material, like an arrow as circumstance manner. Tim as participant sayer, thought as process verbal, of a tragic case as circumstances matter. The context and text connections. Context of culture. Context of culture determines what we can mean through 1. Being who we are, 2. Doing what we do, 3. Saying what we say. Context of situation. Context of situation can be specific through use of the register variables, field, tenor, and mood. Field refers to what is going on. Tenor refers to social relationship. Mood refers to how language is being used. Intentional meaning. These meanings are realized in wording through participant, processes, and circumstance. Example: we buy only the peak of the crop. We as participant actor, but as process material, only the peak of the crop as participant goal. The last, genre. First, particular purpose. Second, particular stage, distinctive beginnings, middles, and ends. Third, particular linguistic features. Thank you.